Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlink Facebook from Instagram. To do this, firstly, go to your Facebook. Once opened, go to the menu located on the bottom right corner. Once you are on the Facebook menu page, then you may go to Settings and Privacy. This will open up a bar. Then tap on Settings. Then tap on See More in Account Center, which is highlighted in blue. However, we can also go to the Account Center through Instagram. To do that, firstly, open up your Instagram. Then go to your profile page, which is again on the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines located on the top right corner. Then tap on Account Center on the top. Here, you can see the Facebook and Instagram profiles of your account. Scroll down to the bottom of the Account Center page and then tap on Accounts. Here, you can remove or unlink the profile of your wish by tapping on the Remove button beside your profiles. You can either click your Facebook or Instagram. In this case, here, I'm selecting to unlink my Facebook account, so tap on the Remove button beside your Facebook profile. Now, they ask you to confirm if you are sure that you want to unlink. Then, if you are sure, then you may tap on Remove Account. Then again, tap on Continue button to proceed. Lastly, they again ask you for confirmation and then you may tap on Yes, remove your username. A notification pops up informing you that the account chosen has been removed. Tap on OK. Then you may see there is only one account in your account page. This shows that you have successfully unlinked your Facebook to your Instagram. If this video is helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.